They say you have to drink so much rum and get yourself drunk to sleep with your man. Why? I don't have to drink to sleep with my man. I don't have to smoke weed to sleep with my man.
Before attack them with a take 9, left them on the white line, kill them lyrically, physically, this a war time, skate them SLR, driving. Me, already fuck up in ya. Them now fuck up in ya.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and liners. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Yes, man, the way we keep it real on the back of field. Yes, man, the 4th of September, we say give thanks to life. Back to school is on the way. Big up all of the real mothers and the father, them, the single mother, single father. Yeah, man, remember, be there for your child and grow them the right way. See? Anyway, coming up in this vlog, yeah, I don't know, we're going to talk about two bad female artists in the UK. We're going to talk Substance and Sexy Danger, formerly known as Lady Danger. You know, her name changed by Foot Hype. Yeah, the new name Sexy Danger. So some look allegation and go on based on poisoning, spiking drink and intoxicated and end up at hospital and this and that and perhaps not. So I'm going to hear one. Hopefully we can have both artists on the Lionfoot platform to come and speak on the matter, speak their truth. Them truth, as I say, but we see what one. But anyway, before we kick off the vlog, I'm gonna please do remember to check out my Welcome to Kingston EP or the single. If you haven't done so yet, give thanks for your support and look out for the tour, the Welcome to Kingston tour. As I say, I forward soon. We're not gonna elaborate on it until it's fruitful. As I say, but anyway, yeah man, big up on yourself.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Okay, my viewers and subscribers. So now, Sexy Danger and Substance. You know, some disagreement. Friends turn enemies. You know, them type of sitting there talking with the men them and the women them. So I don't know how I go on, but what I gathered is like some allegation, defamation that makes sense. Some poisoning or spiking drinks go on. Substance husband was intoxicated, and this is her words, Zine and blah blah blah. But hopefully we can get them on the platform still. So this way, Substance, I say.
You're just real and you understand me, and you start chat out your business then. They say you have to drink so much rum and get yourself drunk to sleep with your man. Why? I don't have to drink to sleep with my man. I don't have to smoke weed to sleep with my man. So why do you have to be so highly intoxicated to sleep with your man? Make it make sense. Make it make some sense. And you don't hear me coming to you with no relationship problems. And that's what burn you. So you know what you did. And whether we get down to the hardcore proof or not, because this is what I have to remind you guys, I don't know what drug it was. We can only assume what drug it was. So it could come back that there's no results. That still don't mean that say he wasn't drugged. And if it come back that there is a drug in the system, it still have to prove who done it. So the chances of really getting justice is very small. But God isn't sleeping either way.
What do some little boy want man favor child? Say them rate about them fucking lie. No wanna drink, cause them a poison liquor. What do some big woman bad mind you she can't turn panny long. Straight up your man them go take me picture.
So clearly, in the song where you hear Substance, I say she mentioned about poison liquor and also picture kind of obia man, you see me? And be sitting. Well, some drinking allegation are going, some poison drinking thing, you see it? But the song sound good still, I like it.
And them a talk about fuck up in ya, but what they really mean to say is that them fuck up in ya. Give them manners and respect them still fuck up in ya. But that's a life for mankind well fuck up in ya.
Yes man, that's true man, mankind is really F up. Yes, when I say fuck up, yeah. But Lionfoot can't confirm what Substance is saying about this poison drinking. I'm just putting what's out there in the public domain and the public space. See, so you know, Lady Danger is currently in Jamaica, or I don't know if she's back to the UK yet, but she out there do a show. We see her upon Sun City, we see her upon Boombox Friday, etc. But she made some posts that she has been getting threats to some of her shows that she has to attend to. They never get fulfilled because of the threats, and she not take no check, which I think is very scary and damning. Again, Lionfoot can't confirm if she get threat for true or not. I'm just putting what's out there. So this is where Sexy Danger posted. Scene, I'm gonna show you some of her performance on Boombox Friday. Scene. So first, let's get through the statement Sexy Danger has made. To everyone that has supported us about the death threats while we were on holiday, thank you all. To all the promoters that I didn't get to fulfill my shows, my apologies. But in this situation, it's gone beyond our control, and we had to put our safety first. First, we were accused of drug assault, and because we paid no attention to this false accusation, these individuals stalked our whereabouts and had people harassing us and sending death threats. We are safe for now, but justice needs to be served. Thank you all for your concern. 100% Frenchie and Sexy Danger. Now, if this is true, we don't support none of that at all. You know what I mean? So that's Sexy Danger. Say while they were in Jamaica, they were getting approached, death threats, and harassment from people on the ground. So they had no choice not to take any check or chance. So it sounds like them they're back in the UK, you know, still. But again, Lionfoot can't confirm if this is true or not. That's what I say. But we are the man of peace. I want to support war and violence and death threats. You see me? But yeah, as I say, I'm gonna try to see if we can reach out to both artists and see if they would like to come and share their story on the platform. You know, Substance is saying they went to Sexy Danger house and some spiking go on, her husband fell ill and got doctor, and the doctor they must say some poison in business. But as I heard in Substance, even if them can't prove it who did it or not, but they were all fine until they go to the house of the residents of Sexy Danger and Frenchie. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm just putting what's out there. As I say, but yes, both artists talented. You know what I mean? I love Substance style, and Lady Danger shoot for a long time. You see me, talented artists as well. You see me, I say, so I just love at the end of the day. But anyway, Sexy Danger was at Boombox Friday, see? So watch a local performance here, and if you want to see the whole light, the rest of it, let's go over Sexy Danger page. Seeing a Lionfoot, the man of peace. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You see me, I say, yeah man, I live in love. Gone, boom.
Before attack them with a Tech 9, left them on a white line, kill them lyrically, physically, this a wartime, skate them SLR, driving an on car, busting in your face, me could hear this on a ball time, running with the star line, pull them up a car line, response to all crime, kill them in a short time, them no bad, me better than Jim Brown enough for them time, them for me next time, hey, I beat the treble, bumpy, I beat the baseline, chop off that waistline, them no bad about waste time, chit chat, chase time, knocking at your face time, ramming at your eye blind, me see, say them bad mind, now my time to stop, yeah, I've been one bad time, try mix them in a concrete and water, people start bad mind. So everybody knows the name Sexy Danger.
All them danger.
I'm a very naughty, but may I show you something about versatility.
All them mama.
These are some figures talk about. Me can't keep it a secret. Can't shut up me mouth. Me I feel tight when me DJ no. Oh gosh. But
Why you?
me said that way that love your body don't fit on me in a handicap. Want me fit on a freak, want me for once than a maniac. Neighbor tell me a ball, so them want fi call it cap. Flip it good so him want living at it like a half flat. Touch it out, touch it out. This thing wet than a river and a drought. I work with. Alright. Ooh na 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 yeah. Don't speed it up. Can I get a little bit of time with you? Anyway you wanna, I'll ride with you. Under the moonlight shine with you. Wanna spend Murder. Yo, ready to jump it and slap it, cause my gun them season up. If I want my gun never freezing up. You know why me at the militancy, me at it up the wall like a 4-course. Yo, killer in a big night. Make your head touch and run way up on a flight. It's fun, you're just afraid of kryptonite. I'm too hard, which girl I got it. I mean say walk and live, talk and
That's the end of this vlog. Stay tuned for more relating to this matter. Big up Sexy Danger, big up Substance, 2 bad female artists. Live in love, live in peace, live in unity, strength. Yes man, a Lionfoot, you know. Big up on yourself.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.